Hi everyone, Jamie Flores with the Law Offices of Nemeth. I'm going over another notice today. Right now it's going to be the CP 503 notice. And all of your notices are going to tell you the notice number in the top left usually, or it will be in the bottom left, depending on what kind of notice it is and how important the notice is. So a CP 503 comes after the CP 501. It again means you owe the IRS money and you haven't paid, so you have an outstanding liability owed to the Department of Treasury, and they are trying to collect on it. It will tell you the year for which the outstanding balance is for. You will get these not for a combined total. They're on individual years. So each one, you will get each one for every year that you have a balance owed. So it will tell you the year that you owe and what the balance is. It then will tell you how to make your payments online, via check, credit card. They'll take your money however they can get it, right? Carrier pigeon. It also gives you a nice disclaimer about bankruptcy. Why? Because they don't want to get in trouble for trying to contact somebody that's already filed bankruptcy, as in if they are collecting on a debt, right? They're not allowed to at that point. So it says, if you're in a bankruptcy case, this is just for informational purposes only. It's not intended to collect on a debt. Really, it's definitely collecting on a debt. It goes into the other options. You can pay via card, via check. Again, it gives you two different options there. It tells you what's owed. And then this one's different than the 501. It goes into the interest. So it shows you an itemized list of how they have calculated interest, because interest accumulates daily, but it's calculated based on the national average quarterly, which fluctuates based on the national average. So what is it in 6 months? I have no idea. It depends on what's going on in the government. Sometimes it goes up. During COVID, it was down very low, 3%. Usually it's 6%, 8%, up to 10%. Right now it's gone down a little bit, and it's projected to go down next quarter, but we get those published every quarter. So if you have debt that goes back to 2017, you're going to have a lot of quarters where they have to go in and calculate every single quarter for your interest based on the balance at that time. It also goes over your taxpayer rights. Again, they always have to tell you what your rights are, and it gives you options for assistance. If you cannot pay it in full, there are different avenues that you can take to make arrangements with the IRS, okay? If you need assistance, as always, give us a call, 972-484-0829.